but he wants to have its wings. He tries balloons, but he cannot fly, 'cause balloons don't take you high. He tries balloons, but he cannot fly, 'cause little cat is just a feline. Little cat is not a shark, but he wants to swim like one. Little cat is not a shark, but he wants to have its fun. With excitement he tries to dive, but to drown wouldn't be so nice. Little cat won't get very far, 'cause little cat is just a feline. Little cat is not a worm, but he wants to dig like one. Little cat is not a worm, but he wants to have its reward. With his body he won't dig deep, 'cause underground he cannot breathe. With his body he won't dig deep, 'cause little cat is just a feline. Little cat is just a cat, and he wants to jump like one. Little cat is just a cat, with his paws so soft and light. With his paws he's gonna jump, there is nothing he can't climb. With his paws he is gonna jump, little cat is a very good feline. Jump, 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 little feline. Jump, jump, jump and reach the sky. Jump, 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 little feline. Jump, jump, jump and reach the sky.
Download the Cleo and Cuquin app and let the fun begin!
Five baby sharks went swimming one day under the sea and far away. Green baby shark stopped to snack, and only 4 baby sharks came back. 1, 2,
poster from Maripi's school play. It's looking ape-tastic.
We bring acrylic reinforcements.
Yay, paint! Let's paint. Hurry, before Maripi gets back from rehearsal.
I'll paint the flowers. Could I paint some daisies?
Yes, of course.
And tuples?
Yes, tulips too.
And roses?
Yes.
And violets?
You can paint whatever flowers you want.
Groovy.
Painting is awesome.
Yay, painting! What?
Cuquin is a roly-poly. Nope, that thing is not coming off. Let's see.
No, foot.
Well, it's definitely an original shoe.
Push hard. And Maripi is wearing a beautiful dress from the star of the best school play ever collection. Go! My career is ruined. What am I saying? My career, my life, and I'm only 6.
Calm down and look on the bright side. The blue matches your dress.
The play's this afternoon, and my hair and my dress are all blue. What am I supposed to do now? Be a cloud or a smurfette?
Of course, that's it. It's playtime. Quickly, panda bag, hairbrush, mirror, blow dryer. We're gonna make you beautiful again. Maripi, don't you see what this means?
My future is just sunk in a can of paint.
Okay, this is a mess, but we're gonna fix it together. Hurry! The chair!
What are you going to do?
Trust me.
Wow.
Welcome to Cleo's beauty salon. Cleo and Cuquin's beauty salon. Get some water, please. Is the water okay? I'll take that as a yes. Does Madam require anything else?
A magazine would be nice.
Good idea! Now it's a real beauty salon. And this? Green!
Beautiful. But yellow is better.
Green.
Yellow!
Green.
Let's just paint it pink. Dirty. Dirty, dirty, dirty. Done. Hey.
Oh, your hair is so tangled. Sorry. Conditioner, please.
And another color.
Tulip. Hey! Paint on the poster! Ta-da!
Are you kidding? I wouldn't even go out in the backyard like this.
You are our most demanding client, and I don't know if you're gonna like it.
But I look like so beautiful.
Making people feel beautiful rocks.
Look, look! What? Has a fan came to see me? You made the poster. It's amazing. Wait a sec. That's it. Thank you. You're my #1 fans.
And you know the best thing of all? Now I know what I want to be when I grow up. A hairdresser! Bring some more, Pelusine. It's looking really cool.
Do you want some banana juice? It's made out of strawberries and bananas.
Mmm, yummy. Thank you.
Hey!
That's gorgeous. We have to find the best place for it. How about here, next to Tomato chasing its tail? No, here. It's so beautiful it needs a whole page to itself.
Huh? Hey! Yes! Huh?
No, they're all ruined. Even this one. Aw, but we don't have another photo of all of us together. Of course, that's it. It's playtime. Quickly, panda bag. New photo album, tripod, camera. Let's take new photos. I think I prefer the photos covered in juice.
It's just that they are all ruined. This one was so groovy. It's from when we broke my flowers home, and we made her a new one.
Shovel! Sunflower! Watering can!
That sunflower was really thirsty.
Look how happy the flowers make you. You just adore them.
New home, and look at all those friends. The superheroes are coming. Look at my beautiful... Yay! It's ruined! Oh, it's just I looked awful in that picture. So now you can take another one of me looking great. Seriously?
No! It's from when I broke my foot. Well, when I say I broke.
That was close. I'm so sorry.
Okay, we should have tidied up a little. This one's for the new album. Taking photos rocks. Yeah. Sure, we can take lots more. You know, so much goes on in our lives. Why is that? Whoa, 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 whoa! Oh, that was close. Memories are unbreakable.
Look at this one.
So cool.
So cool.
Look at
What
this
a
one.
face.
So cool.
Look at this one.
What a face. What a cool day. And the best thing is, now I know what I want to be when I grow up. A photographer.
Twinkle, twinkle, red, red star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a ruby in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, red, red star, how I wonder what you are. Twinkle, twinkle, orange star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like an umber in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, orange star, how I wonder what you are. Twinkle, twinkle, yellow star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, yellow star, how I wonder what you are. Twinkle, twinkle, green, green star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like an emerald in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, green, green star, how I wonder what you are.
mission begin. Young lady?
Your Highness.
Your Majesty, dear. Marty be the first of the Kingdom of Telerin. Yeah. The crown, please. Ah! The jewel! It's been stolen! That's for my crown! Give it to me! Hey! Mine! There.
In the name of the Kingdom of Telerin, I crown you.
Not again! It's mine! Marble! Marble! My jewel! Marble! My jewel! Oh, look! Snow! Marble! I had it first! Mine! It's mine! No, it's my jewel! Marble. Jewel!
Of course, that's it. It's playtime. Quickly, panda bag. Police hats, masks, vase. We'll play cops and robbers, and whoever wins will keep the jewel or the marble.
Yay! I won! I choose Cleo as my partner.
Woohoo!
Tomato. Ghost. Not in your dreams. We have to guard the... Oh, Tutu.
Tomato, you're in charge.
Huh?
Stop right here! Ooh, it's my favorite song! Wait a minute. If we're all here, who's guarding the jewel? Nino, Nino, Nino. Yeah! Being a cop rocks!
logs. Now I'm the robber.
Stop that thief! And best of all, now I know what I want to be when I grow up. A cop!